Welcome back to On the Red Carpet with the Oscars. You know, my day job is actually the entertainment reporter at ABC 7 Los Angeles. And I'm joined now by my ABC 7 news counterpart, Sandy Kenyon. Sandy, this is a tradition. Every year you come here to talk about your prediction.
Yeah, it's not the Oscars without you, George. Looking splendid today in that tub.
Thank you very much. You look pretty good yourself. Let's talk about the win.
I think it's going to be Michelle Yeoh. It is a neck and neck with Kate Blanchett. She has 2 Oscars already. Might squeak in there for a third.